I show young-minded people how to be movers, shakers, free thinkers, and good citizens. And I happen to do that through animation. My films explore abstraction and our connection to abstraction. Metaphysical features of reality, mainly time, space, and the concept of infinity. I studied experimental animation for a number of years at the California Institute of the Arts, and then I transitioned into the games industry, where I worked for a number of years and created games for Nintendo, Microsoft, and Sony console systems. Since then, I've been able to use my skills from the games industry, learning all of this new cutting-edge technology towards making experimental films. I'm teaching a course called 3D Computer Animation, and this course goes over the fundamentals of animation using 3D software. Today we're focusing on creating models using a sculpting program called ZBrush. So they learn about the fundamentals of sculpting, and a lot of the techniques that they're using are the same kinds of techniques that are used for creating models as if you were sculpting real clay. I can then make changes to my geometry by moving large portions of it around. Yeah, that's really nice. I like the way you've got all the bumps and stuff going.
Thank
can
you.
Imagine how the skull might look underneath.
Mm-hmm. I was wondering, is there a way to add just a big old hunk of clay?
While you have shift held down, bring the intensity down. I think that should fix it. The first class that they take is just an immersion into the technology. It takes a long time before those tools become transparent and you can let the artistic process enter. When I'm working with students, I like to look at what their interests are, what their passion is, what they want to express. I think that it's important to look at where they're going in life and make sure that I can help to steer them along the way.